really going to go back in time with this one. It was 50 years ago today, the very first Bricklin Sports Vehicle rolled off a St. John assembly line. And here's how they look today. Special events marking the anniversary were held over the long weekend, including a gathering at the former assembly plant and a showcase of Bricklins along Water Street. Just under 3,000 of the vehicles were assembled between August 1974 and late 1975 before the company went into receivership. And you can catch the full story tonight on CTV News at 6. That's also going to include special footage from when the plant was in operation at the time, but a lot of history in the region. People coming together. A lot of people from the States drove up for this event in St. John over the weekend. An iconic car, a car that had a number of issues when they were developed, but
iconic nonetheless.
Iconic nonetheless, and the people who have them love them and are keeping them in.